Hi guys, it's Legionero. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 9 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas. Can you guess what we're making today? Yep, we are making a bonnet and it barely fits on my head because it's a small size, but we are going to make this really cute and easy bonnet. All right. If you are new here, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. So let's grab our tools and get started making this really cute bonnet. What you're going to need for this bonnet, I'm making the small size bonnet and I'll put all of the measurements for the small, medium, and large bonnets in the description box below. You're going to need some fabric. This is some bandana fabric I got from the Dollar Tree, and it was 2 separate packages, so I had 2 of them in my stash, so I'm just going to use the same thing for the inside and the outside of my bonnet, and it measures 21 by 21. All right, and this is perfect for the small size bonnet that I'm going to make. You're also going to need some pins, measuring tape, some 1/2 inch elastic, a chalk roller or tailor's chalk or fabric marking pen, some scissors, and of course your sewing machine and coordinating thread. So what you're going to do, and I'm going to cut both pieces at the same time since they are same fabric, same size. So what you're going to do, take your fabric, fold it in half, right? I'm going to turn it and I'm going to fold it in half again. All right. And this is my center right here with both folded edges. So I'm going to start here, and for the small size I'm going to do 10 inches all the way around. So I'm going to start here at this edge, and again this is the folded edge, and I'm going to mark 10 inches, and it fits it's like spot on with 10 inches. Right, and you just measure around 10 inches. Right, and just connect your lines that you just made in a half circle. Right, and you just cut around. Now that you have your circles cut, you can now take them and place them with right sides facing. And you're going to pin all the way around. And as you pin, make sure you leave an opening so you can turn this to the right side. Again, you pin and make sure you leave an opening. Alright, once you finish pinning, you'll take it to the sewing machine. You start at one pin, sew all the way around, stop at the other pin, And you're going to sew around 1/4 of an inch or 3/8 of an inch, whichever one that you decide. I'm going to probably do 3/8 inch, just to make sure I don't not catch it all. Right, so I'm going to finish pinning and I'll meet you back at the sewing machine. Have it sewn, use that opening that you left in the bottom and turn it to the right side, and then give it a really good press. All right, now that you have it pressed, take your measuring tape. My elastic is 1/2 inch, so I'm going to measure around 3/4 of an inch and make a mark, and that's where I'm going to sew. So all the way around, I'm going to mark 1/4 of an inch. I'm trying to do the right thing and not eyeball it. I'm going to mark 1/4 of an inch all the way around. And then I am going to sew that at that 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to insert my elastic at that opening that I left. So I'm going to continue to mark around, and I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, sew around, and then we'll come back and insert our elastic. Now that you've sewn your casing, go ahead and take your elastic and measure around the circumference of your head. Once you measure around the circumference of your head where your bonnet will sit, where the elastic of the bonnet will sit, go ahead, take that measurement and subtract 1 inch from it. All right. So take your elastic and your safety pin or whatever you use to weed your elastic, find your opening, and weed your elastic through your opening. Make sure the other end, the free end of your elastic doesn't get caught on the inside, because it's hard to get it out once it's in there. Now that you have your elastic feeded through, remove your safety pin, overlap it, take it to the sewing machine and do a zigzag stitch. Pull your elastic all the way through and then sew really close to the edge to close up that opening that you left in your bonnet. All right, that's it, guys. Your bonnet is all done. All right, so I know the bonnets that most people like are satin lined bonnets, so you can have a really cute print on the outside and satin on the inside. But this is a great way to make a really cute and quick bonnet, which would be a great gift. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I will see you in day 10 of our 12 days of DIY Christmas gift ideas.